Hello students, a very warm welcome to yet another exciting journey of learning English phonetics. Let's begin our class today with a warming up activity. Now what is that activity? Just do as I say. It's going to be fun. So kids, stand, sit, stand, jog in your place that you're standing in. 10 times jog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Sit down. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jog. Again at my count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So kids, I hope you enjoyed this 1 minute warming up activity. Let's end this activity with a clapping exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. So kids, it's now time for the pearl of wisdom. What is that thought that I have got for you today? Well, just read it from the green board. It says, never give up on the thing that you like. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. Now, this thought was given by Albert Einstein. So, what does this mean? What does it try to tell us? It tells us that whatever is important to us or important for us, we should never give up on that. We should have big dreams. We should always follow our dreams. So, he says that the people with big dreams are much more powerful than the people who just know all the facts. Now, if you can just think about the aeroplanes, the telephone, the electricity, all these were dreams once upon a time, but now they have become a reality, and the people who have made it a reality are known, and we read about them. They are great people. They are powerful people. So that's what Albert Einstein says, that never give up on your dreams and dream big, always. So kids, always be internally motivated and encouraged to follow your dreams and make them a reality. I hope you all will abide by this thought and always focus on your dreams. So kids, it's now time for us to start the lesson. Today we are going to start the lesson with a story. Let's see what the story is all about. A dress for dragon. Wow, the title looks exciting. So let's read the story now. It says, one day a dragon had a dream about a dress. In the dream, she had to drive across a bridge to buy the dress. The dress was blue. The dragon was so happy with the dress that she dropped it. The dress was wet and dripped. Now the dress needs to dry. Poor dragon had to buy a dress, got the dress, but it got wet. But students, this is not the activity that we are going to do or focus on. We are going to focus on the words in the story. Now you are going to read the story again to spot the words with blends. Okay? So we will read the story again. One day a dragon. So see here, this DR. There is a blend here. If you read the title, a dress, DR, for a dragon. So one day a dragon had a dream. This again is a word with a blend about a dress. Here again. In the dream, see here, this word again has a blend. She had to drive across. Drive is the blend. Across. There's a blend there. Bridge. This has two blends. To buy the dress. Here there is another blend. The dress was blue. See here. There is another here. The dragon was so happy with the dress that she dropped it. Again there is a blend there. The dress was wet and dripped. There is a blend. Now the dress needs to dry. Here again you see there is a blend. So kids, what are the blends that we have seen in the story? We saw DR, then BL. We saw most of them BR, DG, yes, AC, all these. So kids, today we are going to focus on these four blends. What are those? PR, CR, DR and SPR, all ending with R. So kids, let's first begin with the blend PR. How do you pronounce this? It's pr. Repeat after me 2 times. Pr. Very good. Now what is the first word under this blend? Princess. It is princess. So how will you pronounce this? Princess. Princess. Next. Principal. Repeat again. Principal. The principal. Principal. Next. Priest. 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 Repeat. Priest. Priest. Next. Pray. Pray. Next. Press. Press. So kids, I hope you understood all the 5 words. Let's continue with the next sound. Students, the next blend is with CR. Now how do you pronounce this? Kr. Repeat after me. Kr. Yes, very good. Now it's first word. Kr. B. It's crab. Repeat again. Kr. B. Crab. Next. Kr. Craft. So there is a blend again here. Okay, there are 2 blends in this word. So craft. Next one. Crack. There is again a blend there. So crack. Next. Crawl. Repeat again. Cr, o, crawl. The last word, cr, un, crown. Cr, un, crown. So kids, the words are crab, craft, crack, crawl and crown. Kids, the next blend is dr, and how does it sound? Dr. Repeat again. Dr. Dr. Yes. So the first word, it's dr, a, g, drag. Repeat. Dr, a, g, drag. Next, dr, ink, drink. Repeat. Dr, ink, drink. So there are two blends here, 1 and 2, that is NK. Okay, so repeat that. Ink, drink. Very good, dear children. The next one is dress. S, dress. Repeat again. S, dress. Next word, drill. Repeat again. Drill. The last one, drop. Drop. So kids, I hope you understood the sound dr. Now let's continue with the next blend. So students, the next blend is SPR, and how do you pronounce that? It's spr. Repeat after me. Spr. Repeat again. Spr. Yes, very good. Now let's look at the words. Spray. Spray. Repeat. Spray. Spray. Very good. The next word is spread. Spread. Repeat. Spread. Spread. Next. Spring. Spring. NG is the blend again there. Repeat after me. Spring. Spring. The last word, the last second word, sprinkle. Sprinkle. So NK is a blend there. Next, here the last one, spruce. Repeat. Spruce. Yes, that's the correct word. So kids, I hope you understood all the words related to the blends PR, CR, DR and SPR. Kids, now it's time to read the story. Let's see what the story is about. It's about a prince and a princess. So what are they? What are they doing and what are they up to? So Preston was a prince. He liked to play pranks. He was proud of his pranks. He was kind of a problem. So here you see Preston was a prince and he was always loving to play pranks. He always liked to prank on others and everybody considered him as a problem. Next, Priscilla was a princess. She was very precious. She was very prim and proper. She won prizes for being pretty. Now how was the princess? The princess was very pretty. She won prizes for being pretty. She was very modest and she was very proper. Now these are the two prince and princess that the story is talking about. While you read the story again, try to spot the blend that we have learned. So here a prince. So here we have PR. Here again we have PR blend. Then Preston, PR. Was a prince, PR. He liked to play, PL. Pranks, PR. He was proud, PR. Of his pranks, PR. He was kind, of a problem. This is again a blend. Priscilla, here we have PR. Was a princess. Here you have a blend. She was very precious. So PR. Then she was very prim and proper. So this is again a new word with the blend. She won prizes. Here, prizes for being pretty. So kids, these were the words that we learned in the story. So let's make a list of the words that we have seen in the story. So kids, how many new words did we learn? We learned these many words. And what are they? Read again. Prince. Repeat after me. Princess. Preston. Play. Problem. Priscilla. Precious. Prim. Proper. Prizes. Pretty. So kids, I hope you understood all the new words with the correct blend and its pronunciation. Students, it's now time for the recapitulatory activity. Let's do this exercise to recall whatever we have learned. Now here in this box you can see there are blends SPR, PR, CR and DR. Here there are other set of part of words which you will have to match with the blend and form a new word. Okay, I'll do one for you and you shall try the others in your notebooks there. Okay, so first one SPR, then continue with AY, spray. What is this word that has been formed? Spray. Did you understand? So how are you going to write it? Can you tell me how are you going to write it? SPRAWL, sprawl. So this is the second one. I hope you understood how to do this activity. So are you ready now? Yes. What will be the third one? Yes, it's going to be SPR. And then what are you going to join? We are going to join AIN. AIN. Okay? So that's spraying. Now the next set. This is for SPR. We are going to do now for PR, or we are going to form words for PR. Ready? Yes. So for PR, PRAY. You're going to take this. So we got the word pray. Next, PR, that's the blend, and then we will join it with S, press. We got this word. Next one, it's PRAY. INT, that's int. So that's print. So kids, I hope you understood how these words are being formed. Now it's time for the next one, CR and DR. CR joined in with AB, crab. Next, CR joined in with OW. So that's crow, crab and crow. The third one would be CR with AFT. So that's going to be craft. Next we have DR. That one, DR with the next word. That's AG, drag. Next one, DR with ESS. That is dress. Next, DR with OP, drop. Okay children, these are the words. So let's read them again. Crab, crow, craft, drag, dress, drop. Kids, very well done. So now it's time for the concluding activity. Today we are going to do word search as a part of our concluding activity. Are you all ready? Yes. So look at this. This is word search. In every line, either horizontally or vertically, you have a few words that you will have to identify and tell me which is the word. Let's begin. So kids, now let's check how many words we could search from the word search. Are you all ready? Good. So the first one here, SPRAY, spray. So what is the first word that we have? We have SPRAY, spray. Next one, what do we have? In the next line, let's see here, SPROUT, sprout. So we have SPROUT. So let's write it here, SPROUT. Next one, what is the next word that we have in this horizontal line? No words. Then in this horizontal line, no words. Over here in this, yes, we have one, that is CRAB, crab. So we're going to write CRAB. Next, in the horizontal word, do you find any words? Just see properly. No. What about this one? No. Now let's come vertically and find if we have any words. Do we have any words here? No. Yes, we have one word here. That's DRAW. So we're going to write DRAW. Then any word here? No. Any word here? No. Yes, here we have one word, PRESS. So we are going to write this here, PRESS, press. Next, the word is pray. So that's PRAY, pray. Next, do you have any other word? Here, CROW. That's CROW, crow. Next word, next column, do we have any? Yes, we have one word. Which is that? that is drop. So I'll write it here, last word, that is drop. Then in the last one, no. So we found 8 new words from this word search. Let's read them again. That's spray, sprout, crab, draw, press, pray, crow and drop. Okay kids? So kids, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, doing all the activities. It's time for me to end the class here. We shall meet again in the next week with a new video on phonetics. Until then, you all take care and happy learning.